Okay, right now we're seeing that it's raining. We're in Hialeah, Florida. You can see the clouds, how they are. Over there. You see how hard it's raining right now? It is raining really hard right now. We didn't have no weather for today, but it's raining really hard, as you can see. Hold on, we're about to go in the backyard. You can see the clouds, how they are right now. Really scary right now. Really ugly. The sky is really, really ugly. Oh my God, it just started raining really hard. Oh my God, look at that. Can you see that? I can hear all the noise right now. It's raining really, really hard. Now you can see over there how the sky is looking like. Just keep looking. Oh my God, look at that. Can you see that? Right now everything is really hard. Really scared. Look at the sky. You can see right now, everything over there is raining really dark. We didn't expect any rain for today. That's what the weatherman said it wasn't gonna rain. As you can see, look, everything is raining really hard right now. Oh my God, will you look at that? You can see a bird up there getting wet. You can see up there, it's really, really dark. The sky, you can't even see it barely. This is David Martinez reporting live. This is David Martinez reporting live from Hialeah. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.